Wish all of you a very good morning. Today we will continue with the explanation of SST Chapter 4, the Northern Plains Part 1. In the previous class, I have already explained page 28 and 29 of this chapter. Today we will continue with Haryana, its geography, occupation, culture, dresses, festivals, tourist place, etc. and Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. We will also read about the Ganga basin in details. So go to page number 30. Here you will find the point Haryana and the details about it. Haryana is a state bordered by Punjab on the north, Himachal Pradesh on the south and Rajasthan on the west. River Yamuna defines its eastern border with Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana and Punjab. The name Haryana in Sanskrit means abode of Vishnu. Agriculture is the main occupation of Haryana. The state is considered one of the most industrialized states in India. It has many industries manufacturing car, motorcycles, etc. Textiles and paper mills are also located in this state. This is where Ved Vyas wrote the Mahabharata. Kurukshetra, where the epic battle between the Kauravas and the Pandavas were fought, is situated here. People of Haryana are called Haryanvis. They speak Haryanvi. Hindi and Punjabi are also spoken here. Now go to page number 31. Here you will find about the dresses, festival and tourist places of Haryana. Traditional dresses of women consist of daman, kurti and a chundar, while men wear dhoti, kurta and pagdi. People of Haryana celebrate Lori, Tej, Holi, Diwali, Dasera and Basant Panchami. Surajkund, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, Kelsar Wildlife Sanctuary and Pinjore Gardens are the popular tourist spots of Haryana. Now we will read in details about the Ganga basin. River Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri in the Himalayas, where it is known as Bhagirathi. Rivers Alakananda and Mandakini join Bhagirathi to form the mighty Ganga. The river Yamuna is the main tributary of Ganga. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. It splits into two branches. One is known as Hooghly, which flows through the city of Kolkata, and the other branch, which enters Bangladesh, is known as Padma. Jute, tea, wheat, paddy, bajra, sugarcane are the main crops grown here. Now go to page number 32. Here you will find about Delhi and its detail. Delhi is the capital of our nation. Delhi is a historic city with many forts, monuments, tombs, mosques and temples built by different rulers. Occupation over here are mainly government occupations. Delhi is the seat of Indian government. It is the economic hub of northern India. Delhi is a cosmopolitan city. People from all parts of the country live in Delhi. The common language spoken in Delhi are Hindi, Punjabi and English. Mostly all women wear salwar kameez with a dupatta or odhni. Many women wear saris as a traditional Indian costumes, while men at workplace wear formal shirts and trousers. Nowadays, which is a common sight to see, people of Delhi observe almost all the Hindu festivals like Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Dasera. Christian and Islam festivals are all Sikh festivals are also celebrated over here like Ramzan, Christmas and Guru Nanak Day. Delhi has many tourist places and attractions including Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the house of the president, India Gate and Akshardham Temple. Now we will read in details about Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is bordered by Uttarakhand on the north, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand on the south, Bihar on the east, Rajasthan, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana on the west. UP is the fourth largest state area-wise. The state is considered to be the birthplace of Hinduism. The state has seen heroes like Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Mahavira, Ashoka, Harsha and Akbar. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Agriculture is the main occupation here. Leather and sugar industries are in plenty in this state. The state is often referred to as the Hindu heartland of India. The most common language in this area, spoken in this area, are Hindi, Bhojpuri and Urdu. The state is famous for its art and heritage. The women of this state wear saris, ghagras, salwar kameez, lehengas or shararas, while men wear dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. Most important Hindu festivals in these areas are Holi, Janmashtami, Dasera and Diwali. Muslim celebrates Eid, Bakri Eid amongst other festivals. Now go to the next page, page number 34. Here we will find about the tourist places of Uttar Pradesh. There are innumerable tourist spots found over here. There are holy cities like Ayodhya, which is the birthplace of Lord Rama. Mathura is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. The world famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Sarnath is a pilgrim center for Buddhists where Lord Buddha gave his first sermon after his enlightenment. Ashoka Pillar, Dhamek Stupa and Lion Capital are also located at Sarnath. So today we end the explanation over here. We will continue with our class with some objective questions and the question answers from the back of the book. Thank you.